Hello and welcome to another Wilderness Tamed video, and in this one we're pruning an apple tree. It's an old neglected tree. Three basic rules apply. Take out any obvious dead stuff, take out the thinnest of any branches that are crossing, and create a wine glass or goblet shaped sort of silhouette to the crown of the tree, so there's an open centre to it, plenty of airflow. And additionally, we're going to reduce the height on this because it's going to be very difficult for the new owners of this house to harvest any apples from way up there. I'll show you. So, and the previous, well, it hasn't been looked at for 2 years, this garden. There's a lot of debris on the patio here. So first job is to clear that up because it's it's a slipping hazard. It's a bit kind of... But anyway, roll the credits and I'll go through the pruning process for you. So we're going into the pruning process now that we've cleared the patio. When confronted with a large tree like this, you sort of, where do I begin? The easiest thing is to go to the lowest branch and work up that lower branch and sort out everything that needs sorting out on that, and going off in the different directions as it branches off. And then go to the next lowest branch and work up, and then the next one. So you're kind of working your way around the tree and going up the crown as you go. So I'm going to bring you over to the lowest branch, being that one that points towards the neighbour's house, and we'll work our way around that one, if that makes sense. Follow me. So that's what I mean by the lowest branch. Going to follow that up and work around into the top of that. Got my loppers hanging on the bottom of the brow here. So yeah, just going to get into that lot. Dead wood out, thin stuff, anything growing in towards the centre of the plant. So as we look up into the crown here, we've got two large boughs here and here that grow up and form quite a sort of block of growth in the middle of the crown of the tree, which you don't want. As we mentioned, we want to create a sort of goblet shape, and those grow into the middle. So the first things we're going to do, get rid of those two. So there you go, a light trim of an apple tree, not too drastic. I hope you found that moderately useful, as in all my videos. I like to think that I'm at least setting the bar to that level. If you did enjoy it, please give a thumbs up, a like. You might want to consider subscribing so you can get more moderately useful gardening videos from yours truly, John Grundy, here at Wilderness Tamed. Thanks again for watching. Get out and get grubby, and I'll see you in the next one.